one of the things that the enemy commonly use or normally use to bring down someone and is yung being in a relationship. Being in a we made a commitment back in college that was a very good protection for all of us. Na we became committed na hindi tayo mag-boyfriend girlfriend back in college. So that was God's protection for us. And there's wisdom. One of the enemy's attack talaga for singles is to tempt you to be involved in a relationship na somehow it can be used by the enemy, your readiness. Kasi yung mindset mo, yung pride mo, thinking or knowing na I can manage this relationship on my own. That will, in my experience somehow, kapag hindi ka careful talaga, the enemy can use that and you can start compromising. And maraming stories, maraming ka marinig na yun yung naging loophole or enemy's entry point to them. So be careful on that. So you have to have a strong resolve and accountability to face that. And for me, it's perseverance. As James 1:2-4 tells us, you'll be tested, but you have to persevere. And the perseverance natin should be anchored with group of people, accountability people. That's one great thing that helped them. And another one is you need to practice talaga spiritual discipline on your own. So you have to cultivate that self-sufficiency. Kasi with or without those people, kasi paglabas mo ng campus, lahat yan mawawala. That is the point na you will be standing on your own. And just reminding natin kanina, so never doubt in darkness what God showed you in the light. Kasi yun yung pagkakawakan mo, that conviction. And kung dumating sa point na hindi mo na alam yung ginagawa mo, just go through with your quiet time, kahit hindi mo alam, go through with serving, magpakabisi ka serving God.
Right.